This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It TikTok Shop Edition, because I saw this and I was like, I don't know what the this is, but I need all of them. I love little Yetis. I love little monsters, and these look like little Yeti monsters. So that's why we got them, okay? And I love me a plush pendant. So this is the DUNDUN family series. I want to cry. I want to sob. I think this is so cute. I love this. I haven't even put it in my hands yet. I know I love this. So I'm going to put the name of the store here that I got it from on TikTok Shop. But they have all different kinds of IPs. I saw stuff from like Miniso. I think like 52 Toys. I don't know. There was like a lot of shit, but this is the one that kind of stuck out, and I've never seen it in my life before. And I was like, if I don't get it, I will die. I need it. So that's why we got it. And that did not open this box. Come on, bud. I'm sorry. Ma'am, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Thumbnail. Okay, anyway. MOMOTOY. MOMOTOY. Never heard of them. Let's see. Hopefully their quality is good. Fingers crossed. Okay, so one box. That's funny. One box was the other way. All the other boxes were like the same way, but this one was the other way. I hope that doesn't mean horrible things. That would suck. But let me put all the little options here, okay? These are all we got. This is all the stuff that we have. The secret edition is 1 out of 500. So let's see if we're lucky. Fingers crossed. If not, all of them are really cute. Milk custard cheese. Oh my God, I think he might be my favorite. Actually, no, I think twisty grapey. I think he's my favorite. Actually, no, I think soft mochi is they're all my favorite. It's gonna be really difficult to rank them in the end, so let's cry together. But without further ado, I need to rescue these little boys. So let's open them. I think this one's gonna be my twisty grapey. Actually, no, I think it's gonna be milk custard cheese. Watch it be the secret. I will die, but I think this one's oh, and it has little horns. Oh my God, stop it. This is the cutest little box ever. That is so cute. Hold on, what? Oh wait, I don't wanna, the card's at the top. I saw it was like blue and yellow. All right, hold on. I wanted to show you the box. Oh, you're just gonna have to, oh, look how cute. That's so cute. I can't. That's so cute. All right. I think this one's going to be milk custard cheese, which is kind of what I was saying before. Let's see if I'm right. No, I was so, oh, they're so cute. Oh my God, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, my new favorite bag charm. I'm sorry, y'all. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Oh my God. These are so, first of all, they fit, they're like a little kitten. They fit in the palm of my hand. I love them. I love his little teethies because we're the same. I love them. Look how cute he is. Okay, so wait, you are soft mochi. Oh, I'm gonna start bawling hysterical. Oh, okay, so they have, I'm just gonna rip the little tag off of them. They have beans in them. So they're little like bean asses. Bean asses. But they're so cute though. Okay, I am dead. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad at all if all of these were him. I would be okay. I would have a little army of them. Okay, let's do box number 2. Oh wait, do we have a card? Oh no, we have the card. Teresa, get it together. Oh my, you are so cute. I can't even look at you right now. Okay, so weight means nothing. I think this one's gonna be glazy berry. I think it's gonna be glazy berry. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, that was not a good rip. Okay, really, bitch? Okay. You're so, I can't. Oh, this is my twisty, oh, my twisty. Oh my God, stop it. I'm sorry. Ma'am, stop it. That is so cute. I'm saying hello. Oh, look at those little feet. I can't. Oh, my sons. I can't. Oh, you are so cute. All right, let me rip his little thingy off. Now you are officially mine. Okay, really, girl? This is the card. I can't. There are no words. There's no words for you. Okay, so far me picking completely fucking off. We are completely off. All right, so I think this one's going to be, all right, so who are we missing? Milk custard, sea spray, caramel cocoa, glazed berry. Okay, those are the ones that we're missing, or potentially the secret. I think this one's gonna be caramel cocoa. Let's see if I'm right. No, we did not. This is rainbow cocoa, okay? I'm sorry. Oh my, look, look at this little dream. Oh, he's like, hello. Oh, God, I love you so much. Oh, you're so cute. Yo, I need to buy all of them. Even, I don't care. Like, I think I need to personally just own all of these. They're so good. Oh my God. Okay, these are so cute. All right, let me just, I am bad at this. Oh, I probably should. All right, I need Alex to come do surgery on them. I keep losing the little plastic guy in their heads. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Ah! Okay, that is crazy. All right. Okay, so, oh no, what does that mean? I wonder who we're gonna miss. Okay, so we have 3 boxes left. I hope we get milk custard cheese. I'll be sad if we don't get him. Milk custard cheese, caramel cocoa, glazy berry, or sea spray. If I had, like, literally, if like you were gonna push me off a mountain, Sophie's Choice style, and I had nothing to do with any of those things, but whatever. Literally, you're gonna push me in a volcano, and like I had to choose one. Like, you cannot have this one. I'm not even gonna say it because I'm gonna put it out in the universe, and I can't. I can't risk it. I can't risk it. But I love them. I want this one to be milk cheese. I want this to be milk custard cheese. Please let this be milk custard cheese. You're home. And he has little teethies. Look at them little teethies. Oh my God. Oh, you are so cute. Oh, I was like, hello. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I love the yellow. Okay. Oh, I love it. Oh, milk custard. I want to cry. I want to cry. Y'all are so sweet. Okay. We have 2 boxes left. All right. So missing caramel cocoa, glazed berry, sea berry. I think this one's going to be caramel cocoa. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, they put the card on the top. I'm putting it. Fuck. Just putting it down. Trying not to look. Okay, so this one is this is glazy berry. Oh, look at the little feeties. Oh, his toes are wild, boy. Okay. But I love his little eyes. That is so, oh my God, you are so cute. I simply cannot. Okay, so there's the card. Okay. Okay. I have a feeling this is gonna be sea spray. Again, the card at the top, I don't like that. Can I tell you, I really didn't want sea spray. You know what, and had I said, oh man, I don't want sea spray, I would have got 6 sea sprays. I know that, okay? I know. Oh my God, hello, sir. Oh, you are so fuzzy. So this one is the cocoa one. The hell is your proper name, bud? Your caramel cocoa. Okay, so they're adorable, the card. He is so fuzzy. Like, you can't even see his little eyes. His little teethies. Oh my God. He is like a little puffball. I can't. He's so soft. He is so cute. I can't. How am I gonna rank them? That's impossible. That's an impossible task. You're asking me to do something that's impossible, but I will do it. Okay, so I think, okay, coming in last place, they're all perfect little gentlemen, and I want them to remember that each one of you are very, very special. And I'm only doing this because the internet demands it. But in reality, you're all my special little guys, and I love you all equally, and I will treat you all equally, okay? Okay. Have to tell them that, all right? Because they are my sweet little angels. But in last place, at the bottom of the pyramid, bottom of the pyramid, Glazeberry. Listen, I love Glazeberry, and I love the little yellow eyes, okay? I love his little funny toenails. I think that's super cute. But I think there are others in this collection that are just, I'm jiving with a little bit more, but I still love you and I respect you, okay? Number 6. Number 5, I'm gonna go with milk custard cheese. I can't, I feel so bad looking at that little tiny face. Look at that tiny face. Look at him. He's like, hello. He's so cute. But I think there are ones that I kind of, I like the colors of them a little bit more, but I still think you're a perfect little gentleman. Okay, number 4. I think number 4 is gonna go to my little coffee boy, my caramel cocoa. I think this one, you're so precious. You are so precious and I love you. And I'm so sorry, but you have to be number 4. I don't make the rules around here. Number 4. I think this one's super cute, but I think I like the other ones a little bit better. Now, top 3, right? Number 3 is gonna go to my green boy, my twisty grapey. I love the color of him. I think he's just, I feel like this is a very rare kind of color plush pendant. I'm like looking at all like the shit that I own. I don't have anything that kind of looks like this. And it's special for that very reason. And plus he's a little monster. So it's like even better. But I would say he would be number 3. I love you. Okay. Number 2, I feel like this is going to surprise everyone because you're going to think that the secret's number 1, but he's number 2. I love him. I think you're so special. I think you're rainbow cocoa. Yes, I was correct. I love the pastel. I think it's so pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Mickey Head in the Clouds, that little cotton candy dream. Kind of reminds me of that. And I love that. And I think you're so cute, but you're number 2 because I think he's my number 1. He is my number 1. So this one is soft mochi. I don't know if it's the teethies. I don't know if it's just like the pronounced little feeties or the little hands, but this is my heart. This is my son. Okay. You're going to talk shit. I will fuck you up because I love him. He is so, I just want to squish it until it disappears. And me too. And then we could join hands in another universe and then just run wild. Okay. Like that's how much love this thing so much. I don't even want to take you out of the house. You're too precious. People will steal you. I can't. My number 1. And I feel bad because you're all my favorites. I love you all, but I had to. It's the internet. You know how ruthless people are on the internet? This was so, I need to see if there are other things from this DUNDUN family. I don't know anything about them. Honestly, I don't even care. I have my own backstory in my head. Like they were all like little monsters that just decided to show up on my doorstep one day because they needed like a good meal and a good rest. And I was like, you guys can stay as long as you want. And that's why they're here. That's why they're here. So joke's on me. I did get sea spray because I couldn't stop thinking about it. Okay. And these 2 sit at my desk every day. They greet me, they work with me, they keep me sane. I love them. Sweet angels. And yes, I sit them on top of little squishy baked items. So their asses permanently smell like weird bread. And I love it. I'm crazy. Okay. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below which one is your favorite. And you better say all of them. You better say all of them. Don't disrespect my sons, okay? You better say all of them because they're all so precious. I can't. But let me know which one is your favorite. Hashtag all of them. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces. And I'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.